freezer, and we also have chiller. Okay, freezer and cooler. Now we are going to take a look at the freezer first. Okay, inside the freezer there are lots of food items. Okay, as you can see, there's fish, and there's, I don't know what is it, but okay, all is packed inside the plastic. Okay, so what makes the difference when food items stored inside the plastic, it cannot contaminate others. Why? Because it's already packed inside the plastic. It's gonna be different if you packed without plastic. It can cause contamination, a cross contamination within food with the other foods. Okay, right, let's, okay, we have food and also ice cube over here. Nice, nice. Okay, and now we're going to the chiller, okay, or the cooler. Okay, so inside the fridge there is also a cooler. The function of a chiller or cooler is to keep the food items in a fresh condition. Okay, as you can see, some sort of vegetables and fruits and other stuff. Okay, when you store food items inside the chiller or inside the cooler, it's not going to be frozen. It's quite different. But when you store food inside the freezer, it's going to be frozen. Okay, the texture is going to be frozen, and it can make the food quite long in a duration. Okay, it's not going to be decomposed. Why? Because the food is frozen, while this part is just to freshen up the food. Okay, to keep the temperature in a cool and still in a fresh condition for fruits and for vegetables and some semi-perishable items, while this part is for perishable items like for meat, chicken, and fish. It's frozen. Alright, so okay,